Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. It's finally Friday, and I hope everybody has a great weekend. This Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there. And I'm actually just gonna be cleaning my patio right now and actually fixing my sectional with my rug and all of the pillows and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and record that for you guys, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the rug that I actually got for our patio, and I actually love it, and I really love it. It looks so nice. I love how it's black and white, and it just like makes it like a staple piece out here, so I really do like it. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna keep the length of it as it is now or put it more into the sectional or something, but I really like it. And yeah, I just really love the pattern of it and everything, and I think it's gonna look so nice once I have my pillows and everything on my sectional. And excuse that noise, there's a airplane going by. But yeah, let me just go ahead and put my table on there, and then I'm gonna start bringing out the pillows to see it all put together. Alright guys, so I just finished putting my sectional together, and the rug that I got, and the pillows, and honestly I love how it actually came out, and it looks so nice guys. I love the black and white and the stripes and everything, and I think it looks so nice. I just love it. So yeah, this is how it came out, and I think it looks so nice, and I can't wait to actually enjoy. All I'm missing is now my baby's pool. That way he can be like right here on this side playing in the water, and I'm just gonna be relaxing and everything. But yeah, I just love how it actually came out. This is the rug, and I actually did put my Home Goods flower arrangement there. And yeah, I just love the gray, black, and white theme that I have going on here. All I'm missing is like a fan up here. We can actually put a fan there. So yeah, later on hopefully we can get one. And yeah, I can't wait to go ahead and barbecue out here and enjoy this nice breeze that we actually do get. And I just love how we don't have any back neighbors here in our backyard or patio. We don't have any back neighbors, so that is nice. But yeah guys, I just love it, and let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys get some motivation to maybe fix your patio or backyard a little bit for this summertime weather that we are getting. So all I need to, guys, is to buy a palm tree or two. I do want to put 2 palm trees here, or 1. I'm not sure how many I actually want to put yet, but I know I do want at least 1 or 2. And yeah, maybe some lanterns or something to go on the sides. So the cool thing about our patio is that we can actually open those blinds to let, you know, like the light in here and stuff like that. But yeah, I just really like how it all turned out, and I can't wait to enjoy our patio. I can't also wait to buy a fire pit but for now this works. And yeah, guys, just wanted to share with you my patio decorate with me, and I just really like how everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think and how you guys decorate your patio and stuff like that. But I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys did enjoy this patio cleaning and decorating with me video, please don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.